Hey guys, this is Divyang from Mobigan and I'm here with the OnePlus Bullets Wireless earphones. In this video, I'm going to unbox them, so let's not just waste time and quickly unbox it. We have already opened the box before. This is to show you what's inside the box. Opening it up and you will see a red silicone carrying case for the earphones with magnetic locks. Under the case there is a USB Type-C cable in red and white theme. On top here you will find earplugs and fins in different sizes, just in case medium ones don't fit in properly. This side you have the Bullets Wireless earphones in it. Here's the OnePlus Bullets Wireless earphones. It's made from aluminum alloy and are given a smooth glossy finish. It comes with an inline remote control through which you can play or pause your music. Surprisingly, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless comes with a USB Type-C charging port. There is a circular button on one side of the neckband with a small LED indicator, while there is nothing on the other side. The dash charge gives 5 hours of juice with 10 minutes of charging, so you need not to worry about the battery life of it. OnePlus Bullets Wireless is available on Amazon India and OnePlus Store for ₹3990. That's all for unboxing. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Also hit the bell icon and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time.